how to mention CS50 library while using Visual Studio Code offline. So first of all, we have to download CS50 library. Download CS50 library. Okay, then we will go to code, then download zip. Okay, now after downloading it, we will open the new folder CS50 main, then open folder CRC, and we will take these two files, copy to the folder we are using in Visual Studio Code. So for example, we will make a new folder. Let's name it clang. We will paste the two files here. Now we will open Visual Studio Code and open our new folder. Open desktop clang. Now we will make a new file. Let's call it hello.c to explain how to mention CS50 library. Okay, hash include stdio.h, and then we will include cs50.h like that. Okay, and int main void string name equal get underscore string okay, what's your, we will ask the user what's your name, then we will print hello variable s name. Now we will compile our program. cc hello.c-o hello, and we will mention cs50.c, then /hello, what's your name, sat, okay, hello sat. Okay, if you have any question, just ask me in comments. Thank you.